This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Have you ever driven your Audi and felt like something is missing? Maybe the car feels smooth, but not as responsive as you expected. Maybe acceleration feels slightly delayed. Maybe the steering feels too soft. Or maybe your Audi simply doesn't feel as dynamic as it should. But what if the real reason isn't the engine, not the transmission, not the turbo, but a single button most Audi owners never use? And even more surprising, many drivers see this button every day, but they never realize what it actually does. Audi engineers designed this function to completely change how the car behaves. Throttle response, transmission behavior, steering weight, suspension firmness, even how quickly the car reacts when you press the accelerator. Yet thousands of Audi owners leave their car in the default driving mode forever. They never activate the settings that unlock the real personality of the car. So the question is simple. Are you actually driving your Audi the way its engineers intended? Or are you driving it in its most restricted configuration? Because hidden inside your Audi is something called Drive Select. And depending on the model, this system allows the car to switch between different driving personalities. Comfort, auto, dynamic, efficiency, and sometimes even individual mode, where you can customize everything. But here's the problem. Most owners either never touch the button, or they don't understand what actually changes when they press it. And that means they miss one of the simplest ways to dramatically improve how their Audi feels on the road. Before we continue, if you enjoy discovering hidden features and real technical insights about Audi engineering, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps us continue producing detailed Audi-focused videos like this one. Now let's talk about what actually happens when you press this button. When your Audi is in comfort mode, the car is designed for smoothness. Throttle response becomes softer. The transmission shifts earlier. Steering becomes lighter. Suspension prioritizes ride comfort. This is perfect for long highway drives and daily commuting. But if you switch the car into dynamic mode, the personality changes completely. Throttle response becomes sharper. The gearbox holds gears longer. Steering becomes heavier and more precise. Suspension stiffens, and the car suddenly feels much more responsive and alive. Same engine, same transmission, same hardware, but a completely different driving experience. Which is why so many drivers believe their Audi suddenly feels more powerful when switching to dynamic mode. Technically, the engine power hasn't changed, but how quickly the car delivers that power absolutely has. And that changes everything about how the car feels. But here's where things get even more interesting, because Drive Select is only the beginning. Audi hides additional settings inside the MMI system, allowing you to customize throttle response, steering, suspension behavior, and even differential behavior depending on the model. In Part 2, we'll go deeper into these hidden settings and explain how to properly configure individual mode so your Audi reacts exactly the way you want. Because when configured correctly, the difference between a default Audi and a properly adjusted one can feel like two completely different cars. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech for Part 2. Drive safe.
Audi owners never use this button. Hidden feature that changes how your car drives. Part 2. In Part 1, we talked about the button most Audi owners ignore. Drive Select. But the truth is, pressing that button is only the beginning, because inside the Audi MMI system, there is an additional layer of configuration that most drivers never explore. And this is where things become interesting. When you open the Drive Select menu inside the MMI screen, many Audi models allow you to access something called individual mode. At first glance, this looks like just another driving profile. But in reality, this is where Audi engineers allow you to separate and control multiple systems individually. Instead of selecting a single preset like comfort or dynamic, you can configure different components of the car separately. and that changes how the vehicle behaves in a much more precise way. For example, in individual mode, you can often control engine response and steering behavior, transmission shifting logic, and suspension firmness, differential behavior on performance models, and sound actuator settings on some models. Most drivers never open this menu. They simply switch between comfort and dynamic. But individual mode allows something far more powerful. You can build your own custom driving profile. Imagine this scenario. You want sharper acceleration, but you don't want the suspension to become too stiff. Instead of selecting dynamic mode for everything, you can configure engine and transmission to dynamic, steering to dynamic, and suspension to comfort. Now the car accelerates quickly and shifts more aggressively, but the ride remains comfortable. This is one of the best setups for daily driving. Another configuration many Audi enthusiasts prefer is Engine.OY, dynamic steering, dynamic suspension, auto, transmission, auto. This gives the car a sportier feel without making the gearbox hold gears too long during normal driving. But there's another setting many owners overlook, and it can significantly change how the car feels during acceleration. Inside some Audi MMI systems, there is an option related to throttle response calibration through driving profiles. When the engine is set to dynamic, the throttle mapping becomes more aggressive. This means the engine responds faster to small pedal movements. The actual horsepower of the engine doesn't increase, but the speed at which the engine delivers power changes dramatically, and this creates the sensation of stronger acceleration. Another hidden factor involves the automatic transmission logic. In comfort mode, the gearbox prioritizes efficiency. It shifts early. It keeps RPM low. It avoids aggressive downshifts. But when the transmission is set to dynamic, the system behaves very differently. The gearbox holds gears longer. It downshifts earlier when you press the throttle. It reacts faster when you request acceleration. The result is a car that feels far more responsive. And this is exactly why some Audi drivers believe their car becomes more powerful after changing drive modes. In reality, the engine hasn't changed, but the software controlling the drivetrain has. Inside Drive Select, when steering is set to dynamic, the system increases steering resistance. At highway speeds, this can make the car feel significantly more stable and connected to the road. Once adjusted correctly, the difference becomes immediately noticeable. But the most interesting part is coming next, because in Part 3 we'll talk about something even more hidden. Understanding this final detail can dramatically improve the way your Audi performs and feels over long periods of driving.
In the first two parts, we explored the button many Audi owners ignore, Drive Select, and how individual mode inside the MMI system allows you to customize how the car behaves. But there is another detail many drivers never realize, even when they discover these settings, because pressing the button once is not enough. The real difference comes from using the system correctly every time you drive. Most Audi drivers leave their car permanently in auto mode. This is the default configuration in many models. And while auto mode is designed to balance comfort and performance, it often prioritizes efficiency and smooth driving, which means the car may feel slightly less responsive during acceleration. The throttle mapping is softer. The transmission shifts earlier. The steering is lighter. Everything is designed to make driving relaxed. But if you regularly switch to dynamic mode, the car reacts differently. Throttle response becomes immediate. The gearbox holds gears longer. Downshifts happen faster. Steering weight increases. The car becomes much more connected to the road. Many drivers say their Audi suddenly feels like a completely different vehicle. And in many ways, it actually does. Because modern cars are heavily controlled by software, the engine hardware hasn't changed. But the way the systems communicate and respond has. Another interesting habit many experienced Audi drivers develop is using dynamic mode only when needed. For example, entering a highway, driving on a twisty road, overtaking another vehicle, then switching back to comfort or auto for relaxed cruising. This allows drivers to enjoy both personalities of the car. Comfort when you want smooth driving. Dynamic when you want responsiveness. But the most interesting configuration still remains individual mode. Once drivers discover their preferred setup,
they can save it and activate it instantly. For example, dynamic engine, dynamic transmission, comfort steering, balanced suspension. This combination gives the car strong acceleration and quick response while keeping daily driving comfortable. Many Audi enthusiasts use this setup permanently because it unlocks a level of responsiveness most owners never experience. And that's the key point of this entire episode. Modern Audis are incredibly advanced machines, but a large portion of what the car can do is controlled by software settings hidden inside the MMI system. If drivers never explore those settings, they may never experience the full character of the vehicle, which is why understanding your Audi's technology can make such a big difference. Not by modifying the engine, not by installing expensive parts, but simply by using the systems the engineers already built into the car. If you enjoyed discovering hidden Audi features, performance tricks, and real technical insights about how these cars work, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing detailed Audi-focused content. Because the more you understand your Audi, the more you unlock the performance already inside it.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.